Hello everyone. Now this is the second lesson of your environmental science, that is our environment. Our environment. Take out your book, page number 165, 166, 167. So what is the meaning of our environment? Environment means land, water, animals, plant, these all make your environment. आपके आसपास की चीज़ें. Okay? So what are the, here we will discuss in this module few topics that are natural things, man-made things, then living and non-living things. These things, all the words are new for you. So you have to listen very carefully. Then we will discuss living things. Breath. Living things need food. Living things grow. Living things move. Living things feel. Living things give birth to young ones. Clear? So one by one I will take you, explain you all the topics. Okay. First we will see what are natural things, what are man-made things. What are natural things? Natural things means given by the nature. Nature, आपको nature ने क्या क्या दिया है? What are the things given by the nature? Think about this. Sun, who made sun? It is given by the nature. Who made moon? Given by the nature. Sun, moon, plants, animals, stars, these all are natural things. Okay? So those things are given by the nature are natural things. Then man-made things. What are man-made things? Things which are made by man. चीज़ें जो कि man ने बनाई. What are the things made by man? This bench, table, blackboard, class, buildings, houses, these all are man-made things. So is it clear? What are natural things and what are man-made things? Now turn the page. Page number 166. Now what are living things and what are non-living things? Children, what are living things? You are living? Yes. So plants, animals, these are living things. Okay? Plants, animals and human beings, we all are living. And what are non-living? What are non-living? Your toys, your pencil box, your books, your copies, these all are man-made things, they are non-living things. Okay? So this is the difference between living things and non-living things. Okay? Now we will discuss what are the special characteristic features, means इनमें क्या विशेषताएं हैं, लिविंग थिंग्स में क्या क्या विशेषताएं हैं और जो कि नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स में नहीं है. What are the special features in the living things and what's the difference between living things and non-living things. Okay, living things breath means living things सांस लेते हैं. Okay, what you breathe? Pure oxygen, fresh air. Okay, so living things who are living, we breathe, animals breathe, plants breathe. So living things breathe and your doll, your toys does not breathe. So this is the major difference between living and non-living. Then living things need food. Children, you need food, you become hungry. So and why you need food? You need food for work, to play, to do your homeworks. Okay? You need food to grow, to get the energy. So all the living things need food to grow, to need energy. Animals also, you have seen animals move in the search of food from here to there. तो इनको भी food की ज़रूरत होती है. Plants also need food. Plants make their own food with the help of air, water and sunlight. And animals move. Some animals eat other animals like this. So All the living things need food. But does your doll need food? She asks you for food? No, because your toy is non-living. Okay. Then living things grow. Children, when you was small, when you was born, you were very small. Now you are baby. Now you are in class 2, standard 2. So you are growing. So it is clear that living things grow. You have seen animals grow. Okay, the calf grow into a cow. Calf is the baby of cow. Yes, kitten grows into a cat, puppy into a dog. So living things grow. And animals also you have seen, plants also you have seen. A small plant grow into a, baby plant grows into a big plant, big tree, saplings grow into a tree. So this is the feature of the living things. But your pencil, your pen, they do not grow. They are as whatever their shape, they remain same. Okay, your tiffin grow? No. Okay, so living things grow. Living things move. See children, you move, you play, you run from here to there. Animal also move in the search of food. So we move, living things move, but non-living things do not move. This is also the special feature. You see plants, plants also move. Sunflower, sunflower, whatever the main feature of the sunflower, you have seen sunflower, yellow color flower, very beautiful. It grows towards the sun. So very slightly you observe it, then you will come to know that all the plants also move. Then your school bag, but your school bag, your school bottle, they do not move. Then living things feel. Yes children, you feel, when you feel thirsty, you want to drink water. When you are hunger, you want to eat food. And when you touch the touch me not, have you seen touch me not? When we touch it, the leaves drop. So this means that living things also feel. Then animals feel hot. You have seen sometimes animals run and rush. They want to go in the under the pond in the water. Why? Because they feel very hot, so they run to cool off it water. So, but your bag doesn't feel and your toys don't feel. So, these are the special features. One more very specific, living things give birth to young ones. Children, living things, those who are living means human beings, animals, plants, they all give to birth to their young ones too. They produce their babies. See, some animals lay eggs and some give birth to young ones. Who lay eggs? You have seen lizard, snake, cockroach, these all animals and few insects, these frog lay eggs. Whereas who give birth to babies? Cow, dog, cat, these all give birth to their babies. Human beings, okay. Then most plants grow, yes, plants also grow from seed. You have seen when you sow the seed in the soil, they grow into a sapling. Sapling means baby plant. So, can a stone lay eggs? No. Can your compass box lay eggs? No. So, living things give birth to young ones. Okay, so these things are clear. What we discussed? We discussed in this lesson that our environment, who make our environment? Let's have a quick recap. Land, water, plants, animals, these all make our environment. Then there is natural things and man-made things. Natural things given by the nature, man-made things prepared, made by the man. Clear? Then living and non-living things. What are living things? What are non-living things? And what are the specific features of living things? Living things breathe, living things need food, living things grow, living things move, living things feel, living things give birth to their young ones. So, these things, I think all these things are clear. Okay. Now we see few question answers are here that I will send you in PDF file. Till then you keep on learning, keep on studying and stay at home and be safe. Okay, bye bye.